In this short video, I'll guide you on unlocking the coveted Spotify Premium features, absolutely free, and how you can keep the songs forever, even after cancelling. Spotify Premium is great, but the cost can be a hurdle. What if you could enjoy ad-free music, offline listening, and all the premium perks without paying? Keep watching to find out how to do it all, legalu. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started on how to get Spotify Premium absolutely free. There are several strategies to show you that will help you unlock Spotify Premium for free. First, we'll look at Spotify's own free trial. Spotify offers a trial period to experience the service. The individual plan has a 3-month trial, while other plans offer 1 month. Here's how it works. Go to the Spotify website at spotify.com/premium and look for the link to the premium section. Link in description. You'll see the option to start your free trial. Tap on that button. To get the trial, create a new Spotify account if you're eligible. If you've already used a trial, log in with your existing account. If you have used a free trial before, sign up with another email. Spotify will require your payment information. However, your card won't be charged until after your trial period is over. Remember to set a calendar reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't plan to keep premium. Want to try something different? Microsoft Rewards is also a great option. Here's the process. Sign up for a Microsoft Rewards account if you don't have one already. All you need to do is sign up for the Microsoft Rewards program and perform 3 Bing searches over 14 days. You'll be eligible for the free Microsoft Spotify Premium trial, and you can continue accumulating points to redeem other rewards as well. Accumulate enough points and you can redeem them for a 3-month Spotify Premium trial. This is a fantastic way to get free music while trying out a new search engine. Check the description below for links to the Microsoft Rewards for Spotify Premium. Next up, get even more free time with PayPal. If you use PayPal to subscribe, you'll get an additional 3 months free. Here's what to do. Visit the PayPal Spotify Premium offer page, link in the description, to see if the Spotify Premium offer is currently available. If the offer is active, follow the instructions on PayPal's website to link your account with Spotify Premium and claim your extended trial. Another great way to get free Spotify Premium is to look for deals when you buy a new phone. Some manufacturers offer bundled deals that include a free trial or subscription to Spotify Premium. Here's the tip: research new phone deals before making your purchase. See if any of the deals include a free Spotify Premium offer and grab it. You can do this research using Bing, scoring 2 goals with 1 ball. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with more ways to get Spotify Premium for free. If you're looking to spice up your dating life and elevate your music experience, then look no further than Tinder. That's right, Tinder has partnered with Spotify to offer a sweet deal for its users, a whopping 4 months of free Spotify Premium. Now you can swipe through profiles with the perfect soundtrack playing in the background. This extended trial period lets you explore millions of songs, ad-free, and with unlimited skips, creating the ideal atmosphere for your Tinder adventures. To snag this offer, check out the link in the description. Finally, you can take advantage of the Spotify Premium for Starbucks partners. Calling all coffee connoisseurs and music lovers. Did you know that being a Starbucks partner comes with some pretty sweet perks, including free Spotify Premium? That's right, you can fuel your energy and your music cravings with this awesome benefit. Here's how to unlock your complimentary Spotify Premium membership. Head over to Spotify Starbucks Partners page. You can find the link in the video description below. Scroll down to the bottom and tap the button that says Get Premium. Log into your existing Spotify account and click Agree to the terms. Enter your Starbucks partner number or global username, and then tick the Approve box. That's all. Within 48 hours, you'll be rocking out with all the benefits of Spotify Premium, completely free. Just remember to cancel your subscription before the next billing cycle to avoid any charges. Don't worry, your playlists and preferences will be safe and sound. Remember, most of these offers are only available for new Spotify users. If you've already enjoyed Spotify Premium in the past, you'll need to create a new account to get these free months. With these methods, you can now enjoy ad-free Spotify music with your new premium access. But remember, these deals are often temporary. Spotify Premium songs can't be saved forever after you cancel your trial. But there's a solution. If you want to keep Spotify Premium songs forever after canceling the free trial, click to watch this video right here. Click it now. To explore more Spotify video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.